This book does not work anymore, but this book does. This book is 100 years old, damn near. This book is new and up to date with what actually works in today's world. What's up, party people? Mason VanMeter, Running Buddies Academy. If you're new to the channel, I am the Yoda to your Skywalker in this insurance industry. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you never miss another video again. Just wanted to make this quick video on my new book called Life Insurance Agents Commandments, how to get as many insurance clients as you can handle. And in this video, I'd like to actually give away this book for free. So if you stay on here with me for a few minutes, I'll cover how you can get it. Inside the book, I cover 2 different strategies I used to make my first 6 figures as a brand new life insurance agent with no prior sales experience at all. I cover my sales process and my marketing strategy I used to get free leads, as well as how to run paid ads profitably. This book covers in detail the roadmap you need to follow and what to say on sales calls to make multiple 6 figs if you apply it seriously. Don't want to spoil it all for you, but agents are loving this book. I'd love to give you the chance to read it. So you can either get it for free with the first link down in the description or the comments below, or you can click the second link to get it on Amazon. It's less than, I think it's like 10 bucks. Seriously, you guys spend 10 bucks a day on frivolous bullshit like coffee every single day. Go ahead and go pick up a copy for you and the kids so they can read it too. That way they can grow up to be superheroes. Seriously, what's the worst thing that happens? You learn something and you double your yearly take home? Exactly. So go get the book unless you just want your business to fail. If you have read it, leave some feedback in the comments of what you learned from it. I'll see you soon, guys. So like and share the video with another agent that you actually care about, and happy hustling, party person. I will see you on the next one.